Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you the MEXC Exchange P2P Trading tutorial. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. First of all, you need to open your MEXC app and then log in into your account. Now over here, you need to tap on the deposit option in the top right hand corner of the screen, and here you will see the P2P trading option. So if you select the P2P trading option, you will be able to easily buy and sell a lot of cryptocurrencies. So you need to simply select the option of P2P trading, and then you will be landed on this type of page. Now over here, you will be able to see this buy option, and now underneath it you will see the USDT option. But if you want to change it, simply tap on it and select any of the cryptocurrencies of your choice. It can be BTC, Ethereum, or any other. Then enter the amount in your currency which you want to basically use in order to spend it. If you want to change it, simply tap on this currency icon and change your currency. Let's say you want to convert it to USD, so simply select it, and it will just take some time to refresh this page and to show you the equivalent merchant. Now over here in the top you will see these three dots. So once you tap on it, you will be able to manage your orders from here, and you will be able to add your payment methods here. So from this list you need to select the merchant from whom you are going to buy a crypto. So tap on the buy USDT option right next to their profile. Then you need to simply enter the amount, select your payment method, and place your order. You will see seller's payment details. So you need to send the money directly using the chosen method, and once you have paid, you need to tap on the option of that I have paid, and the seller is going to confirm that and release the crypto to your account. Similarly, you need to tap on the sell option if you want to sell your cryptocurrency. Then tap on the sell USDT right next to the person to whom you want to sell. Then select your payment method, and you can sell your USDT in a similar way. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.